In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Google Sheets. Whether you're planning an event, working on a project deadline, or simply wishing to keep track of days remaining until a specific date, a countdown timer in Google Sheets can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into it step by step to help you set it up effortlessly and efficiently. First, begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you prefer working online, you can access Google Sheets through your Google Drive. For those who often work offline, ensure that Google Sheets is installed and accessible on your device. Once inside Google Sheets, decide on the cell where you want your countdown timer to appear. For clarity and easy reference, choose a cell that is readily visible, preferably near the top of your spreadsheet. Now, let's move on to setting up the countdown formula. Click on the cell you selected. Here, you'll enter a formula that calculates the days left until your set date. Type an equals sign followed by an open parenthesis. After this, select the cell containing the future date you're counting down to. If you haven't entered a date yet, you can type it directly in the same formula or through a reference to another cell. After the date, insert a minus sign and then type today, followed by open and close parentheses. This part of the formula dynamically calculates the difference between today's date and your selected target date. After this, add a space, an ampersand, another space, followed by an open double quote. Simply type the word days, enclose it in double quotes, and close the parenthesis. This extension will automatically append the label days to your countdown result, ensuring clarity in your display. Once your formula is in place, hit the Enter key. Immediately, you'll notice that the cell now displays the number of days remaining until your selected date. This auto-calculated countdown refreshes every day, giving you an updated tally automatically. It's a nifty feature that promises pinpoint accuracy without any manual adjustments. Finally, if you're tracking multiple deadlines or events, you might want to apply this formula to other cells within your sheet. In Google Sheets, this is straightforward. Simply click on the bottom right corner of the cell containing your freshly entered countdown and drag it across or down depending on how your data is structured. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each cell, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your dataset. By following these steps, you have successfully set up a countdown timer in Google Sheets. This tool now stands ready to help you plan better and stay ahead of deadlines with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as beneficial in your work as I do.